Today we've come to Elephant Nature Park's Elephant Trail Off-Saddle program. The Elephant Nature Park is one of the few sanctuaries in Chiang Mai which is actually rated as an ethical sanctuary, which means that you're not allowed to ride the elephants. They don't use any hooks or any implements on them to get them to do what they want them to do, and the elephants are just allowed to be free and do what they want and be elephants. The place that we've gone to isn't actually at the Elephant Nature Park. It's a little bit further north out of Chiang Mai. It's about an hour's drive out of Chiang Mai, and we've come out here today to basically spend the day with the elephants. Should be an awesome day.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids.
This is really cool. After you feed the elephants in the morning, you then get to go on a walk with them through a part of the jungle and feed them as you go. Definitely one of the coolest things I've ever done.
Who is this? This is Sky.
This is Sky.
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.
So it's pretty cool. So throughout the day you actually just do whatever the elephants want to do. So halfway up the hill they just decided that they wanted to stop in the shade, so that's what we all did. So we're at the top now and they're just having a bit of a feed of whatever that is, and I think then we go for a walk through the river before lunch.
Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run, and the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I.
So I was just talking to the tour guide, and these elephants actually vary in age between 4, 6, 7 and 45. The 3 younger ones actually were rescued as babies before they even got to the riding camps. But the 45-year-old one was actually used to be a riding elephant, so it used to have the saddle on it back before it was rescued, and they don't use hooks or saddles or anything on them now. So we've just taken them for a walk through the river and fed them a bunch of bananas and sugarcane and banana plant as well. And we're about to head back up to the main building where they're going to put on a vegetarian buffet lunch. So definitely do your research when you're coming to an elephant sanctuary. A lot of them that claim that they're sanctuaries actually aren't, and they're hiring elephants from nearby camps which still allow you to ride them. The reason that we chose this one was I did a ton of research, read a lot of reviews, and that's how we found Elephant Nature Park. And it's pretty much completely agreed that Elephant Nature Park are one of the few that are a truly ethical experience. And you can tell just by your interactions with the elephants, they certainly seem to be very happy. So nobody's forcing the elephants to do anything, and nobody's telling the elephants to do anything. They're just going about what they want to do, and we're just tagging along for the ride. guys, that's been Elephant Nature Trails. We hope you guys like the video as much as we've liked being here. It's been one of the highlights of our entire time overseas in almost 12 months of travel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.